Hey guys, Pool Time Pickers here. My name is Steve. I'm a part-time reseller, and today's segment is going to be a how-to Tuesday. So every Tuesday I'm going to have a topic and I'm going to show you how I do it, and hopefully it'll give you some insight to how to do it if you didn't know. And I'm going to do this every Tuesday, so if you like this segment, please like and subscribe, and you'll see new videos every Tuesday. If you guys have any suggestions that you want to see or you want to know a little bit more about, please put it in the comments down below, and I will I have quite a few ideas that I want to do on Tuesdays, but if there's a good enough comment on something you want to do, even if I don't know the subject, I will research it and I will do a professional video on the subject. As you can see, my name's Pool Time Pickers. You know, I kind of like to do my videos around the pool. It kind of, you know, very relaxing, calms me down, and yeah, hopefully you can have some of the scenery. There's a little lizard going across, if you've seen that. It's just very peaceful back here, and so yeah, hopefully you enjoy this. And so we'll get right into the video here in a second. I got it set up and we will do it. So I'll be right back with you and we'll go over the video. Today's video will be how to pack and ship shirts professionally and any clothing. Basically, I'll show you how I do it. Be right back. Hey guys, Steve back. So let's get right into it. Like I said, today's going to be how to pack and ship shirts, or basically any clothing, basically under a pound, under 16 ounces for this video works well for doing this. And I know this is something that everybody knows how to do, but a lot of people don't do it as professional as others. Sure, you can just stick a shirt, put it in a poly mailer, and most times it's going to be just fine. But this is about being professional. It's about, you know, looking as presentable as possible when they open it up. So say you just throw in a shirt, you throw it in a poly mailer, they open it, it's kind of all crumpled up. What are the first thing they're going to do? They're going to nitpick the item. They're going to go over it with a fine-tooth comb, make sure everything's good. I mean, granted, you want to sell things that are perfect anyways, but if you give people opportunity to nitpick every little item, they're going to. On the other hand, if you stick it in a nice presentable package, fold it up nicely, then put it in a poly mailer, they're going to open it, they're going to think to themselves, wow, this was presented very well, and it's just going to set the tone better for when they open it. So here's one that I already have done. Tommy Hilfiger, presented in a nice package. Now I'm going to stick this in the poly mailer. I'll go over exactly what I use here in a second, but this is kind of an added tip on how I do it. As far as my inventory, I put a little sticker on it, number, and then I put it in my SKU and my eBay items, and so I know exactly where it goes. And when I sell it, I take this off, and you can reuse those numbers, and the next shirt you put, you'll slap number 30 on, and you'll be good to go. So here are some of the items I use. These are 9x12 suffocation bags, 10x12 poly mailer. I would recommend getting a few different sizes. These 9x12 suffocation bags work for 90% of the items, but I still use them for different items. I'll put shoes in these. I'll put anything, because any way you can present it a little better is going to be better. So these are the ones I use, 9x12, just suffocation bags for putting the shirts in, and then a 10x12 poly mailer. And so let's go ahead and do one from start to finish. I have a little Alice Cooper shirt that I'll try to get listed. So I kind of fold everything in, and I'll do it as we get. You do kind of even folds as you can. Flatten it out. Do the same on the other side. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but the best you can do. And then after you get it here, you're going to do about 3 equal folds. And this depends on the different shirts you have, but this one works good. And then fold that down again as good as possible, and then you just stick it right in the bag. self-adhesive bag. So you can put in however you want, just you want it to present. This is kind of a better present to me because, you know, it has Alice Cooper on it. So I'll stick it in here and try not to crumple it up as you stick it in. Fold it. I'm not gonna completely seal it right now because I still want to take pictures. I am gonna list this. So you do it, and then just stick a thank you on one of the sides. And that's pretty much it. One of the bonus tips I'll give you that's really has not to do with shipping, but it's after the item is on the day of being shipped. I like to give my feedback to the buyer right on the day it's going to be shipped. That way it's fresh in the buyer's mind when he opens it, and more likely you're going to get positive feedback right away when you do that. If you do it right when it sells, you know, then you have 3-4 days before the buyer gets it, and a lot of times the buyers are just going to forget and they're not going to leave you positive feedback even if they have a very good item. So hopefully that helps. I mean, these items you can get on eBay, Amazon. The stickers I think I got on Amazon, and I would probably get gold next time. These silver ones work well, but gold kind of sticks out more, and it's just kind of a more higher class touch. You know, just the same stickers, and as you can see on here, just thank you for your purchase. And it just gives, like I said, all overall good presentation. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe. And like I said, this is going to be a How-To Tuesday. This will be my first installment of a How-To Tuesday, so look out every Tuesday. And just look out every day for different videos. But like I said, Tuesday is going to be a how-to, anything to do with reselling, a how-to, you know, from shipping to listing to, you know, feedback to what have you. I have, like I said, a few items lined up. And if you guys have any ideas, put it down below. I'm going to stop yapping now. This is going to be a quick video. I don't want to go too long. So take care. Bye.